Hi, I'm Vipula Tippa and I have successfully submitted my thesis on collaborative filtering digital book recommendation framework. As I started with my research work, I found out that many research has already been done on the book recommendation system using the cosine similarity and sine similarity. But there were many limitations like scalability, cold start, data sparsity, and trust issues because some of the users just rate higher to for their favorite authors, or when they receive the book, they don't come back to the website to give them the review or rating. This results to the whole start of the book. I have used Jacquard similarity for this book recommendation system. Now let us understand what is Jacquard similarity. Jacquard similarity is basically intersection over union, where book 1, there are two books, book 1 and book 2. The users who have rated for both the books like book 1 and book 2 are kept in the numerator, and the users which have rated either of the book, that is book 1 or book 2, have been kept in the denominator. Therefore, Jacquard similarity is given by the formula Nm intersect Nn upon Nm union Nn, where Nm are the users who have rated for book M and Nn are the users who have rated for book N. This is my system model for this book recommendation system. Now, this is my welcome page. To start with the execution, we'll start with login. Since we have username and password, we can log in from here. If we do not have a username and password, we need to create an account. For this, create an account. Here, I'll create an account as Vipula 5 with a password. Create account. Once the account has been created, I'll get a message as account created. I would use the same credential which I've already used for creating an account. That is username as Vipula5 and password and login. Once I log in, I get a message as Vipula5 login successful. I have a list of columns, that is ID, book title, book authors, book categories and average ratings. Now, there are two number of entries which can be shown, either 10, 25, 50 or 100. We can select the number of entries we want to see on the first page. There is a search option where we can select a book of particular, we can select a particular book. There are page numbers from 1 to 622 as we have just selected 10 books on each page, and there are about 6 to 15 entries. To find a particular book, we need to type the message. Suppose we are typing a message as SPI. If you want to search spider's web, so we'll type as SPI. The letters SPI, wherever it's been mentioned, wherever it is present in the book or in the title or author's name, would be mentioned over here, would pop up like this. Once we get to know which book we need to click on detail option. Once the detail option has been clicked, we get two boxes. On the in the first box, we have the detail of the book, that is the book ID, title, authors, categories, average ratings, and the short descriptions of the book. Now we on the second box, we have the recommendations, that is Island, The Illustrated Alchemist, etc. Note that the rating of this book is 3.83. So the recommendation of all these books will be equal to or close to 3.83. For this, we can check whether it is been right or wrong. We'll check for the book Island. Once we go back, it comes to log out. So we'll log in again. Since Spider's Web Since Spider's Web has an average rating of 3.83, now we need to check for the book Island. So Island. Now we can see the average rating is 3.85, which means that the Jaccard similarity has been successful in using the average rating for calculation or recommending a book. This is my thesis on the book recommendation system. Now I would like to conclude it like Jaccard similarity is being used for the book recommendation system. It has been run on the basis of average user rating. Thank you.